And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the popping curls, you are back here at Such a Joy. I am Joy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below and like this video. Also make sure you share this video because it definitely helps me out, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And as you guys can see from the title, we are going to try to make this twist out look popping again, because just look at the front. It's looking all dry and crusty, and I'm going on a date tonight. So I'm just going to be trying out like different styles for you guys, and then the last one is what's going to be the style that I go on my date with. And I'm going to be using the Edge Booster Gel. This is my first time using this gel, and I don't usually use gels because they usually flake up in my hair, so kind of skeptical about using it, but I need something to, like I said, I'm going on a date, so I need to look cute. So I'm going to start off by wetting my hair, because that's just going to help my hair lay down better and maneuver with the gel and the brush and, all the styling tools that I need. And this gel runs at $15.99, and it comes in different scents. I got the sweet peach scent because I just figured that probably be the best one for me. So the first style we're going to be doing is just going to be a simple side part with the side gel down. Something slight but still really cute. Yeah, I haven't done this in a long time. Like I said, gels flake in my hair and I stopped using gel, and I'm just using my brush to help lay the hair down so I can give it that sleek look. And I'm gonna just add gel, water, and brush it every time I see it needs to be. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch until we get to the next style.
Baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes, your smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you.
And every time I spray water, I make sure I work it in my hair first, just to get it all saturated, and then I put the gel on top of that, because I think that that just helps lay the hair down better than it would if you don't put water with it.
Take all of me, I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like.
And I feel like the little flip over look gives it a little more style, like it gives it some pizzazz, I would say. And I'm going in with my edge brush just to make sure it lays down like as sleek as possible, as flat as possible, because that's the look I'm going for. I want it to be as flat as possible right there, and then just let the curls kind of fall forward. So yeah.
Take all of me, I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like is right here. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. Know that I can't get over you, cause everything I speak is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Know that I can't get over you, cause everything.
So moving on to the next style number 2, I'm going to put another part on this other side of my head, because for this style I'm going to gel down both sides and then put a ponytail in the middle. Well, it was supposed to be a ponytail in the middle, but I ended up not liking it, so it ended up being a I guess you call it a bun in the middle.
Everything I speak is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja. Drive her all up the partition, please. Drive her all up the partition, please.
And make sure you guys have bobby pins on hand, because bobby pins are essential for all of these styles that I am doing. And I just prefer to use bobby pins when I'm using gel in the first place, just to hold the hair in place. If I don't have like a ponytail holder or something, like it's not going to ponytail, I need to use bobby pins to hold it in place just so it can just fall right.
Baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes, your smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly, I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like. Take all of me. I just wanna be.
And this is the ponytail that I ended up not liking, and so as you will see, I end up turning it into a bun and it ended up looking cute.
I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like is right here. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. Know that I can't get over you.
So moving on to our last and final style, the style that's going to be our style for the evening. I'm just spraying my hair with the water, and I'm using my dimmer brush to make sure the bristles get all the way through to every layer of hair. And then I'm going to go back in with my hands and then some gel, and then I'm going to use my pink brush again to make it look sleek again.
'Cause everything I speak is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Know that I can't get over you.
Some added advice I have is don't restyle your hair once you have this hair paint wax on your hair. I mean, unless you just don't mind it like on your hands like mine is. But I mean, it washes right off, but yeah, it definitely transfers extra because your hair is wet.
'Cause everything I speak is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja. Grab her all up the partition, please.
I haven't worn my hair like this in so long, so it doesn't look like it, but I am like super excited to wear my hair like this again, and I'm just praying in my mind that like it doesn't flake up on me, because the last time I did this I used Extreme Wet Line, the clear one, and it flaked up all in my hair, and so that style didn't get to last long. And so yeah, I'm just super excited about this, and I just hope that it does not flake up on me, and at least it'll last me throughout the night.
Grab her all up the partition, please. Baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes, your smile, it's like I.
So I do want to let you guys know that I kept this style in for 3 days, and it did not flake up on me whatsoever. So I will be using it again, and I want to use it for a slick back ponytail, and then I also want to use it for a wash and go to see how it does, because that's really going to be the test of if it flakes or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
The kind of girl you like is right here. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him, I'm looking for him.